Cryptocurrency prices, well, they may be falling today. With Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin at right at this moment? Bitcoin falling back down to $50,800 at the moment. And I want to know, when you guys are watching this video, let me know what the price of Bitcoin is. Has it recovered? Is it continuing to decline? Let me know down there. But I want to talk about Terra Luna Classic, and I want to talk about the overall crypto market in this video. Because Terra Luna Classic actually doing very well to maintain levels of support despite Bitcoin's fall. Bitcoin is down today. Terra Luna Classic is up slightly today. Terra Luna Classic is maintaining that 12,500 point per coin level of support. In fact, it's at 12,700 points per coin at the moment. And the overall cryptocurrency market, not the prices today, but market participation is up, and it's up in a huge way. Let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing your favorite shib merch, grabbing all of that merch and anything, because you guys are burning shibainu coin by doing so. Simply utilize that link, go to the top of the page, search for whatever you want, and you're going to be burning shib by doing it. Guys, let's talk about this, because the price of Terra Luna Classic is looking much stronger than the rest of the market right now. We've got ourselves a nice little doji here, but it is a green doji at the moment, and we are a 0.5% higher, with Terra Luna Classic sitting at 12,750 points per coin. Now, I will jump into the proposals for Terra Luna Classic in a second here, but I want to cover some headlines really quick, because these headlines are perhaps much more important than a lot of people think. Now, I don't really care if you own shares of Coinbase. I don't really care if you use Coinbase. But listen to these headlines. Coinbase shares pop after posting first quarterly profit since the fourth quarter of 2021. This is the first time that Coinbase has made money since the fourth quarter of 2021. Now think about that. Yes, they have cut their staff down a lot. Yes, they have cut costs a lot since that time frame. So 2021 was still much, much better than where we are right now. But this is the first quarterly profit since the end of 2021. What does that mean? That means that cryptocurrency use, that means that cryptocurrency trading, that means that cryptocurrency active users are on the rise. And that is exactly what you need to see for a bull market to begin. You can't have a contracting industry. You can't have less and less and less people trading, buying, and selling Bitcoin, Terra Luna Classic, and so on. You need that to be rising. Now, let's talk about the next headline. Coinbase jump highlights crypto ETF outperformance. Coinbase donates $3.6 million to support Bitcoin developers. Coinbase is doing everything right, but it might not be enough. You've got Coinbase donates $3.6 million. Coinbase returns to profitability. And these are all excellent headlines indicating a growing and prosperous cryptocurrency market and a cryptocurrency industry. So that is exactly what you want to see if you expect a bull market to begin and a bull market to really take off. Now, let's go over to Galaxy Station real quick, and let's talk about some of these proposals on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain here. You've got the first one, contributions without KYC. It ends tomorrow. Now, this one is currently not yet met quorum, and it is still very close. 32% yes votes, 28% no votes, 21% no with veto, and 17% voting to abstain. Moving on to the next one, which is passing. I'm not going to go through and read through the numbers here. It is passing with flying colors, adding Ceratic as a recognized KYC provider, which means that if you want to develop for the Terra Luna Classic Layer 1 team, if you want to add code to the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, you need to be KYC'd. And once this proposal passes, you can get that KYC recognition and certification on Ceratic. Next one, you've got the tax to gas implementation. This is more recently proposed, and we will break this one down, I promise, in a future video. Right now, 62.6% yes votes, 4% no votes, 3% no with veto, and 29% voting to abstain. 189 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for so far, so it has not yet met quorum, but it is gaining a lot of traction at the moment. Clicked on the wrong button here. All right, voting. There we go. Next one, staking guidelines for centralized exchanges on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. Somehow trying to create guidelines for centralized exchanges. I don't know if that one's going to pass, but it was recently submitted, and let's see where we're at here. It's about a 50-50 split, 45 yes, 50% no with veto, and 149 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for so far, so it is still very early on in that one. You've got the next one, which is a pay-per-job, practicable implementation by the Joint Layer 1 Task Force and TCC cooperation revised. Now, this one, it ends in a couple days. This is proposal 1270, and it is currently 72 billion Terra Luna Classic in, with 23% yes votes, 0.07% no, and 76% voting to abstain on this proposal right here. So it still has a long way to go. And finally, the last one, tax to gas implementation final. This is the one that's already been out for voting. This one is getting 99.9% no with veto votes right now, and only 0.01% yes votes. It still has a long way to go, with 56 billion Terra Luna Classic voted for. Major validators have not yet voted on this one, but it does seem to be in the process of getting rejected. Now, guys, Terra Luna Classic is outperforming the overall cryptocurrency market right now, which is an excellent sign. But we still have a long way to go. So I want to know what you guys think about all of the proposals and about the overall industry improving at the moment down in the comments. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.